Hello, in the last video we learned how to what are different types of tools that we need to recording, and in this tutorial we are going to answer how do we use the tablet. Okay, so basically the tablet is going to be looking like this that we discussed. Like, we are going to have a bamboo Wacom bamboo tablet. So this cost around 70, and a bigger and larger area on which we can record, we can scribble. It comes around 225 onwards, and even much better is called Cintiq, which is comes around more than $999. Okay, so obviously here I'm assuming that we are on this tablet called Wacom Bamboo, and then I'm creating this video based on that you have Wacom Bamboo, and that this video also is going to work for this Intuos, but for Cintiq it will be different. Okay, and I will probably create a different video how to configure using Cintiq later on. Okay, so what you see here in this tablet, in every tablet you see this is, you mark, this is a, there is a mark here, and here's another mark, here's another mark, and another mark. What it says that this is the area on which we can scribble. Okay, so basically what if you see that area is going to map, to the screen area, right? So this active area, whatever you have here, is going to be mapped to your monitor area. Okay, so that means when you have a scribbling software running on your monitor, okay, you can essentially, while you are touching by using the pen on this area, you are actually doing something in the screen. Okay, so that is the one-to-one mapping that we have. Okay, so in case of our different tablets, in Bamboo we have small area, in Intuos we have bigger area, in Cintiq we have even bigger area, and also the good thing about in Cintiq that I can see what is happening on this on this active area, whereas in case of Bamboo and Intuos I am not going to see what is happening here. What I'm going to do, I have to basically look at my monitor screen, okay, to see what is going on. First thing what we're going to do, we are going to basically get our tablet, and if you open the Wacom box, you are going to see a tablet. This is a tablet and this is the pen, and then there should be a connector connecting this tablet to the computer. Okay, so the first thing what you're going to do, you're going to connect the tablet to the computer, and then in most of the cases, if you have a Windows 7, the laptop might recognize might recognize the tablet, but it's always a good idea, and always means you must need to install the driver that comes with the Bamboo tablet. Okay, if you do not install the driver, you will not find the smooth usable. Okay, so so basically just install the driver, and after you install the driver, it should be just as smooth as you are writing on something, writing on your pen and paper. Okay, so the first thing is that install these drivers. Okay, and then basically try to configure couple of this thing. So once you install the driver, so you will see some kind of uh, tool, some kind of preference for Bamboo, and then this is what I'm saying, and I'm configuring couple of things. Basically whatever the by default whatever is comes, that should be working fine, but in case you want to change certain things in your way, you can basically do this thing. So essentially, like, after you configure everything, this pen whatever you're seeing here, that can basically replace your mouse. Okay, you don't really need a mouse anymore. Okay, so like, basically that's how usable it is. Okay, then what I'm saying is that once you install this thing, just look at your active area on your tablet. That means basically mark where are you, like, where are these areas or whatever I showed you. So every tablets will have their active area, and then that is the area on which you can work. Okay, so basically the first thing what I'm going to do, probably basically try to write your name maybe 100 times. Okay, just to make sure that we are in get an hang up writing on the tablet. Just write your name maybe 100 times. Okay, so that is the first thing to do. And once you basically get used to the tablet, you should never see the tablet. You should basically can control everything by looking at your monitor. Okay, so just tablet is there, just basically the pen is going to touch onto the tablet surface area, but otherwise and everything should, you should get a hang of where is your pen tip is and all this thing based on by just by looking at the active, by looking at the monitor. Okay, so obviously here's the thing that maybe very initially writing on the tablet may be a difficult job, but once you write your name 100 times, okay, then you should be able to get a hang of it. And also once you start creating the videos and all those things, a lot of things should synchronize your writing, your audio and all those things. But I think it will take some time, but once it is, then just by using the $70 tablet you should be able to record, and you should be able to do the job properly.